Second one of the product that's selling right now on Amazon pretty good is the iHood all area heated system. So you do not have to wear a bundle of jacket, hoodies, and sweaters and all that when you could just wear this right here. So this thing is waterproof. It's rapid heat system. It has windproof. It does has like a three control zone to control the heat and different areas in the body. So that's pretty cool. And it charges fast. I did a lot of read up. On Product Zone, we don't just unbox and show you guys random stuff. No. We do our research first before. So now in here, we got a lot of stuff. Oh man, look at that. United States flag sticker. And we got all the instruction and well, nice. And this goes in this area right here. And this is it, really nice package. So when you're done with it, there's a clip. Oh, look at that. This is a really good company. They got great review on Amazon. Check in the link in the description box below. And I will leave the website link too, so you could go to their personal websites. This right here, this is the button right here. So this is the light. If you're doing hunting and you want to cut off the light or whatever you want to do, that's amazing. And this is, you could control, look, it shows you a symbol where the heat is exactly there. The neck, this shows you like the back front area, and this shows you the back area. So this is your remote right here. So that's pretty cool. You don't have to walk around with a remote. You just tap your stuff and you're like, you're like James Bond or something. This thing is incredible. We're gonna just take it out. So I end up getting extra large. Oh, we have the adapter and we have the battery. So the battery, 7.4 to 12 volt USB. So it's just a little battery right there. It tells you when it's charged up, and this is your adapter to charge it up. And this is amazing. Wow. So this thing take away all your closet. Go in your closet and literally start throwing out all your big bubble jacket that you have. I'm gonna step back because this will cover all of that in one. And you could see they made it really good. You have a lot of pockets, lots of pockets. I'm telling you, amazing. Look at this Velcro right here. This thing, you could, oh, you put the United States flag over here. That's what it is for. Love it. So you could tell this thing is amazing. It's really good quality, and this Velcro strap to make it fit your hand so the air doesn't come in. Zipper right here, and you can't even tell this is heated or anything. It just looks amazing. Look at this right here. I love their logo. It's pretty cool. This is a nice quality. Let's unzipper it up. So we're gonna take a look inside. Look at that. Wow, you can't feel like nothing much. And then look, you got the inside pockets here. You want to put your wallet, phone, keys. It's incredible. Love the logo and the quality. This part is very nice. The back of your neck right there, extra, so no cold air coming out of this. And then you have these things right here to make it tighter so it fits you perfect. It will create you got the zipper right here. See that? And here I'm here's where the battery goes right here. Look, battery, small battery, and it comes with the charger, and it comes with the head part. A lot of people do not a lot of company do not give you the head part. These guys give you the adapter head part. And we're gonna right here, unzip this, and we're just gonna plug this in right in here. All right, so we're gonna plug this in here, and we're gonna come right here and just press one of the, let's put on the light. We press the light right there, and you could tell, look, pops up 68. So you just press this on there, you hold it down, you see that? It just lit up right there. That's tell you it's heating up right now. Oh my God. I'm gonna put this on. So this is amazing for if you're gonna go hiking, camping. You watching like me. I'm gonna be watching my son's soccer game. It's really chilly and windy in the the field. It's good for jogging. It's waterproof. It's really meant for a lot of outdoor activity. Keeps you warm, and just every time you come back home, just plug it into charge, and it'll charge up really fast, and you could keep using it, and you don't have to wear a hoodie, a long sleeve t-shirt, and another bubble jacket over. No, this is what you need. Simple, easy, look clean, move free, move light, and do whatever you want to do in the winter time, fall time, because this is high tech, this is advanced. It's a really good quality and company. Don't forget to check in the description box for more price and details, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Zone. We have a lot more products coming up, reviews, and we try to give you guys the best. Watch and see and learn about the product before buying it, and we'll give a thumbs up from Product Zone.